Have you ever tried to log in Slogan and wondered, why didn't I get the SMS code? Most apps rely on SMS to get the verification code. Well, not so much. In this video, I'll be sharing why Slogan isn't prioritizing SMS, what it means to you, and how it makes your account more secure. Well, stick around. If you've ever missed your Slogan code or it delayed to come, this video will be a game changer and save you a lot of headaches. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. SMS has been a traditional way how apps identify your identity, especially during the login and the two-factor authentication. Slogan, however, does things differently. Instead of sending you SMS, Slogan will send the code to your other Slogan app that is logged in to the same account. Obviously, if you have your account running already. Well, if you don't have another account, it may opt you out to set up an email or send directly the code to the email, and it may also delay the process of SMS or even not getting. According to the people that have experienced this issue, they are concerned about Slogan not even sending the SMS code. Sometimes they send you the SMS code when you've assigned your email, so the code will be sent twice on the other device and via your email. So that's for the security purposes. In short, SMS is no longer the main method. Let's see why. While SMS is not secure, it can be intercepted with methods like SIM swap attacks. While hackers can easily swap up with your SIM card, which can lead to them receiving the code instead of you, the original owner of the SIM card, which makes it so much vulnerable. SS7 network vulnerabilities. As we all know the history of this protocol, it has made the work of the hackers and the government easy, in that the hackers can easily hack your code, can get access to your SIM card, your network easily. Slogan uses the MTProto encryption. This is a custom protocol that protects your data. Unlike SMS, that is number one, unencrypted, and number two, hence giving access to the hackers easily. Now, if you receive the code via Slogan, it is really fast and easy with no headaches. It avoids the exploitations that comes with, for example, SMS. In many countries, SMS delivery is unreliable or delayed. Some carriers end up blocking the verification text, marking them as spam. Also, new users using the voice over internet protocol, or the ones using the virtual numbers, always face the problem of getting the SMS codes. The whole game lands into Slogan hooking you together so that you enjoy the ecosystem, meaning that if you receive the code via app to app, in-app, like we say that if you have the same account on different devices, that means that they are keeping you into the ecosystem. Well, in some countries, Slogan will have to spend a lot of money just sending those SMS codes, yet it's cheaper using the in-app. That's why at times they just use the in-app than spending a lot of money just sending the SMS codes, which is unsafe and all that. So you just have to embrace it in any way or the other. Let me give an example. Let me just say that one SMS costs 30 cents. Now just multiply by the amount of users that are trying to log in using the SMS code. Here there is another option that can cut all these costs. So in some regions, receiving the code via SMS requires when you have a Slogan Premium, while free users will rely on in-app and email. Now in my experience, SMS delays takes so much time or even not be delivered. You can wait and request for another SMS and it's the same story. Yet the in-app is instant. It's just a matter of a second maybe. It takes little time. You don't have to spend a lot of time waiting for the code. But if you're logged in Slogan, it will be so snappy. You will just have to receive the code without even waiting or even minding about the network, because since you're using internet, then it will be just as easy as just receiving the code. Now this is the table format that I can pinpoint. We have the point section, we have the Slogan app code system, then we have the SMS verification, we have security. Under the security there is encryption, less vulnerable, while the SMS, it's easy to intercept and spoof. And then speed under the Slogan app will have instant. It will be delivered instantly within the app, and the SMS it will fail or delay. Then the cost under the Slogan app, it will be free. Then it will be costly for the company, the SMS. Then the user experience, it's seamless if logged in elsewhere, but again frustrating if no code arrives. Then we have offline access. Under Slogan, not possible. Then SMS works without internet. That's the pro for the SMS. Now, have you experienced something similar? Just let us know in the comments below. Now, Slogan doesn't rely on SMS because it's less secure, expensive, and unreliable. By using the app delivery, makes your account safer and smoother. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.